So what are these urban heat islands? These urban heat islands are in news right now. So ये basically होता क्या है, आपकी जो urban areas है, if I have to plot this in graph, see, so suppose there are high-rise buildings here, okay, and then you have surrounding village area where you will find lots of trees, forests in the surrounding areas, okay. So if you have to plot this heat island, it will be something like this. The temperature will something like this. कि जो ये ऊपर वाला area है, this building जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा building है, this is your urban area, and if here I am plotting this temperature on y graph, on y axis, so this is your urban area. So can you see the temperature is very high as compared to your other surrounding areas at the same time. So this is your concept of urban heat island. तो हीट कैसे जनरेट होती है, क्यों, क्या वजह है कि आसपास का जो एरिया है वहाँ पे हीट कम है एंड यू हैव दिस हाई हीट और हाई टेम्परेचर इन योर अर्बन एरिया. सो देयर आर सेवरल फैक्टर्स दैट कंट्रीब्यूट टू योर हीट आइलैंड, अर्बन हीट आइलैंड, which includes your type of material, type of construction material. ठीक है, पहली तो ये चीज हो गई कि टाइप्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल ऑफ विच दीज बिल्डिंग्स आर मेड अप ऑफ. सो दीज बिल्डिंग्स विल हैव हाई इंसुलेटिंग कैपेसिटी. हाई इंसुलेटिंग कैपेसिटी का मतलब ये होता है दैट इट कैन होल्ड हीट फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. सो दीज बिल्डिंग्स in the urban areas will have high insulating capacity. Second important factor that works in your urban heat island is your waste heat. So now you might be thinking, what is this waste heat? Waste heat क्या होता है? So any kind of heat that is being generated while you are working or while any kind of machine that is working. Suppose आपकी refrigerator है, आपकी AC है, या फिर machine जो factories में होते हैं, all these are working. So they are creating what? They are creating heat which is being released in the environment. Even if you are jogging, you are doing some kind of exercise, then also certain kind of heat is released from your body and that is going in your environment. So this waste heat is very high in your urban areas. ठीक है, पहला क्या हो गया आपका? पहला हो गया योर इंसुलेटिंग मटेरियल, जो आपकी कंस्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल है बिल्डिंग्स की. सेकेंड यूज योर कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ वेस्ट हीट. थर्ड जो कॉन्सेप्ट जो कंट्रीब्यूट करता है इन योर अर्बन हीट आइलैंड इज योर वीक विंड. विंड की जो स्पीड है वो बहुत वीक होगी, तो द विंड विल नॉट बी एबल टू डिसिपेट हीट इन दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया. सो दीज ऑल फैक्टर्स कंट्रीब्यूट टू द अर्बन हीट आइलैंड. Okay, and also because this, you know, and fourth factor, yeah, there is one more factor, that is absence of or lack of forest cover. So to accommodate huge number of population, we keep on cutting, we do deforestation to build more and more number of buildings. So because of this lack of forest cover also, because this trees are having the capacity to absorb heat, they do perform transpiration. Transpiration has cooling effect on the environment. So because of all these factors, we face this urban heat island in your urban areas. So these things I have already discussed with you. One thing is important, that there is a temperature variation can range between 3 to 5 degree Celsius. Okay, तो अगर आपका यहाँ पे 40 डिग्री है इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में, तो सपोज आपकी जो विलेज एरिया है, जो सराउंडिंग एरिया है, देयर दे माइट रिसीव दिस 35 डिग्री और 37 डिग्री. सो देयर इज अ temperature difference also. So why are the cities are hotter than rural areas? I have told you this green cover, transpiration is not there, because this transpiration has been seen as a cooling effect on absorbing heat. Then this heat regulation is also there, high rise buildings are there, and because of other factors as well. So construction of cities, and also sometimes, you know, हम कई बार अपनी buildings बनाते हैं, अपने घर बनाते हैं, we use this dark color. So dark color has the capacity to absorb much of this sun's energy or temperature. So recommendation यही है कि आप जो आपकी roofs हैं वहाँ पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा plant लगाइए, green roofing कीजिए, and then you also use this light colored material while you are painting your houses. So all these things are recommended to reduce your urban heat island or the temperature from your urban areas.